Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we gonna talk about the how to learn cloud computing from scratch. Part 5. Networking may be very tough topic and even individuals with great analytical skills often needs time to understand it properly. You can begin by looking at a comprehensive learning route we have that covers the fundamentals of AWS networking, beginning with a VPC, a virtual private cloud. Just remember that your virtual machine needs a virtualized communication center to get you started. 5. Gets a hand-on understanding of how cloud platforms work. What if we had access to that at the outset of our cloud journey? What if we could test the waters and look into the various facets of cloud computing? Imagine someone who is about to graduate from high school is prepared to begin a career in information technology in college or university and has some additional time to gain some practical experience. Though perhaps not the 200 to 50 $500 necessary to test a cloud platform. The goal of this article is to demonstrate how using online platforms can help you develop some abilities as you learn. Additionally, you can use this information to study for AWS Cloud Practitioner and can check the cost for AWS Cloud Practitioner certification and other crucial computing related courses online. Cloud computing related courses online. So thanks for watching our today's video. We hope you like the video, share the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.